Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add metadata to a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro. This is my PDF file. I have already opened it and select this file option and scroll down. Here you will find this properties. Click here. This properties dialog box now open and select here description option. And this description file title, this author, and this is subject and keyword. And type your this PDF file title name. Owner file and author name will administrator and type your company name or so on and subject, and also you can add a keyword from right, and so on. And this additional metadata, click here. Also you can add here author title, cell, and you can add a description, writer name, and so on. You can add copyright status here, public domain, and so on. Copywriting info URL and select OK, and finally select OK and select file option, save or save as a PDF file, and again select this file option and properties. All of this metadata are now added. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.